So the googly earth is made of this paper, this rock and this rock. So if I push it together, it goes up and up and up, and then what happens? It goes up and then it goes down. That's what makes the googly earth move.
That's right. So that's what happened in today's earthquake?
Yeah.
Can you explain it one more time for me?
Starting it over.